Hello, how are you doing? My name is Muhammad Daniel. You're watching Kite, and today I'm going to teach you on how you can download or how actually you can make an rock paper scissors game in Python. So let's begin. So first we'll have to import the modules we need. So we need to import two modules. The first one is of course the random module, and the second one is the time module. Now the random module is mandatory. It is you have to use the random modules. The Python code will not work. But the time module is just customary. It's just to add a little bit nice, to make the code a little bit nice. And let's begin. So the first thing we need to make the code do is to simply first make the decision. And the random module is going to be used for stuff like choosing the randomly, letting the bot choose between rock, paper, or scissors. And yeah, so first we'll create the list. So we'll just name this operations or something like that. And we'll put rock, paper, and of course scissors. We'll do bot, and then we'll create another then you actually need to create a random file. So this will randomly choose between these three lists. So we'll do random dot choice, and in here we can type the operation module operations. So let's just do that, operations. Okay, then after that we can let's see. Then after that we have done that, we'll ask the person to choose its operation. So for good things we'll just print out and print rock, paper, scissors, and we'll actually let's actually put this right here. We'll also do time dot sleep for 3 seconds. Also, I'm using Kite, by the way, and I think Kite is very good. Like normally without Kite, Kite is very good. It's actually better than other programming and then normal Visual Studio Code. Like for example, if I write something like like when I write random dot choice, as you can see, yeah, Kite is pretty cool, I would say. It's better than normal Visual Studio Code. It's not better than normal indexing. As you can see, it is indexing the code. Kite is indexing your code, but should still function in the meanwhile. And they also have this. This is not sponsored by Kite, but like Kite is pretty cool. So if I were to type print here, what had happened? Future print. Yeah, it tells the whole docs. It has like its own docs. That's pretty cool. But anyways, we're going off topic here. We'll let it print here. Then we'll do something. We'll print. Yeah, as you can see, before normally it wouldn't put the brackets. I have to put the brackets manually. So yeah, it helps quite a lot. Let's now print the keys. We do R for rock, P for paper, and S for scissors. That's it. After that, we will ask the person the choice. So we'll name this input underscore equals to input. Let's see, input, choose your operation, and then we can simply make an if statement here. So we'll do if let's see, if input underscore is equals to R, then it should print. No, then we'll do another if statement. So then we'll do if okay, wait. Okay, so over here we have to make a variable to save this operation. So then after the choice, I'll explain everything at the end, like fully everything, but for now just stick with me, I'll explain. So then we can do if the bot underscore operation is equals to rock, then we can print, then we can print out, it's a type. So let me explain what's happening here. So firstly, importing the modules. That so firstly, this is how it's gonna work. We're gonna import the module. It imported. Then it's gonna say rock paper scissors. This code over here. It's gonna sleep or stop program for 3 seconds. Then it's gonna reload again, saying this, and then we might even add 2. I think 2 is good. So then after all that, so first print rock paper scissors, it'll stop for 3 seconds, then I'll print the keys over here, then it'll do this operation right over here. So operation rock paper scissors, bot the operation. So firstly, basically these are rock paper or scissors, so the bot randomly chooses between rock paper or scissors, and then it saves that in the bot slash bot underscore operation. Then we have the input underscore is equals to input choose your operation, so it'll ask choose your operation, will input that. And then here are the if statement. So basically it's that if the input is equals to R or R, but that's the key over here, then so this program will only execute if the program is equals to R, meaning rock. So now if now we know that the program is equals to R. So now when you know the program is equals to R, now we need to compare this to the bot operation. So then we'll do if the bot operation or the random choice that the bot did chose rock, that means that the input or the boy or girl whatever chose rock, and the bot also chose rock, so then it will be a tie. So that's how it works. Now this is also, I also did this in my GitHub, so you can check out my GitHub links in the description box below. And this is the actual code that I did over here, as you can see. And yeah, so I'll just copy all this. It's literally the same thing like this. I just that I added a while loop over here, so I can do that here now. And if you don't know how a while loop works, basically it executes a code if something is true or false or whatever like that. So I just put a while loop here, as you can see. Where is the while loop? Here you go. So if it's while, so basically all the while loop it does is that you don't have to, for example, when I played rock paper scissors, you don't have to constantly double click on the file icon. Whenever you play the first game, it then opens the second game, then it automatically does the third game. So yeah, this is how the game works. If I run this file, the rock paper scissors, as you can see, it run rock paper scissors. Here are the keys, and choose. So if I, for example, chose rock, and it'll say I chose scissors, and then it'll be I lost, I will defeat you next time, and then it'll reload again. As you can see, if I choose scissors, and it'll say I chose scissors, looks like it's a tie, and then choose again. So for example, if I wrote something else like this, it'll say I don't understand what you're saying, and it'll tell the keys again. So that's pretty cool. If you want to know how I did this part, how I did this, basically I put in an else command. So I went on here and I said that I put in an else command. So if you go over here, you can see, I'll show you myself. You can see that else, as you can see, else over here, else print I don't understand what regrets, the same thing. We could just do else and then print stuff, and print the stuff I don't know, because that's pretty cool. Because if you wouldn't print it, the program would shout at you and just for an error, while this wouldn't shout at you and just say I don't understand what you're saying, and they'll just print here the keys. That is pretty cool. So that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you understood, and I hope this helped you even a bit, right? Yeah, I hope you have a good day. Subscribe for more videos like these, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.